Hello, my dear students. Now we are having next question, that is question number 20. A straight horizontal wire of mass 10 milligram and the length 1 meter carries current 2 ampere. But minimum magnetic field should be applied in the region so that the magnetic force on the wire may balance its weight. Okay, so we are having this horizontal wire. Okay, so definitely the gravity, okay, the gravity on this horizontal wire will be in vertical downward direction. Okay, in vertical downward direction, that is mg. Now we have to uh, manage the direction of magnetic field in such a way that the force on this wire, okay, will be in upward direction, so that this force will balance this mg, and that is the requirement in the question. Okay, so this force is equal to I L B, okay, and in upward direction. So this I L B, okay, if we are considering this current and this wire, okay, in this positive direction, that is, this is the direction of current. This is the direction of current. So direction of current, if we are just using our left hand rule, Fleming left hand rule, to find the direction of force. Okay, this is the direction of force, this is the direction of current. The magnetic field should be into the plane of the paper. Okay, this is direction of current, this is direction of magnetic force, because we required magnetic force which is in upward direction, so that it will balance the weight of the rod, okay, or wire. So the direction of magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field will be into the plane of this paper. So we can represent using this cross p. It is equal to mg. This ILB equal to mg, and we require to find the b. So this b minimum is equal to mg divided by I into L. What is m? That is 10 milligram. Okay, so this 10 milligram we can convert 10 raised to power minus 3 into the gram, and again 10 raised to power minus 3 into kilogram. Okay, because all this value we have to put in SI system, and the value of G we are taking as 10. The current is given as 1 ampere, and length, sorry, current is the 2 ampere, and length is 1 meter. Okay, so this magnetic field B will be 100 divided by 2 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Tesla. Okay, so you can write it is 50 micro Tesla. Okay, and what is the direction of this magnetic field? That is the into the plane of this paper. So such type of question required the proper understanding of Fleming left hand rule, how to find the direction of magnetic force. So first we should have clear our concept related to the magnetic force and direction of magnetic force. Then only such type of question very easy to understand. Thank you very much.